Here's something most people don't realize. The soap dispenser you touch can spread germs, but this smart gadget fixes that in seconds. Traditional soap pumps get touched by everyone in the house. After cooking, cleaning, or handling raw food, that's the last thing you want to touch again. Just place your hand underneath, and the infrared sensor dispenses soap in only 0.25 seconds. No touching, no mess, and no wasted time. You can choose from 6 soap levels depending on how much you need. It's USB-C rechargeable, waterproof for kitchens and bathrooms, and one charge lasts for up to 5,000 uses. It's not just for hand soap. Use it with dish soap, shampoo, facial cleanser, or hand sanitizer. Mount it on the wall or place it on your countertop. It's built for almost any space. If you love smart gadgets that make life easier, check this out. The Amazon link is in the description. Subscribe, hit the bell, and share this video.